Okay, so what makes this work and so dynamic is drag technology. And that, instead of having to have an engineer enter in all the coordinates like you would when you look at an automotive facility, by using drag technology, I get to drag this into place. Okay, I make sure I'm right above what I'm trying to cut. Enter. Okay, go down, enter. Drag it to the next position, enter. Okay, enter. Where I want it placed, enter, and then run. It's that simple. You know, a lot of people are thinking that they're just afraid, how am I going to teach this thing? That's how easy it is to teach this thing. So that makes all the difference in the world, because you know, your secretary can run this thing. It is not a difficult thing to run at all. You hear robotics and everybody gets weirded out about that. Number one, they can't afford it. They think it's going to be 50 to 100 grand, and it's not. Okay, you're looking at $20,000 to $30,000 depending on the functionality that you want to have. So this in itself, if you can imagine me picking up these pieces, okay, 1, 2, and digging them out, okay, trying to get underneath them and dig them out, versus the robot picking up a whole roll at one time, you're talking about 8 times faster. Now think of that. Okay, 8 times faster. So now what's this thing worth? Works 1 shift, 2 shifts, 3 shifts, doesn't get pregnant, doesn't get sick, doesn't come in for late, doesn't ask for more money. Okay, all the way around, the robot makes sense. So, if that's not good enough for you, you start adding rows. Now I can pick up 9 circles at one time, add a second row, pick up 18, 24, 36. That really starts to make sense financially. So what you end up with by picking up more rows, though, is the need for more suction. So you'll have to make adjustments there, so what happens when you start picking up more rows is you need more suction. Okay, loop around here, put another row in, put a third row in. You can go with big suctions, little suctions. If you're cutting out something that's 12 by 12, you put 5 suctions here, and you'll build 5 sequences of that. So along with the price being what it is, ease in training. So by the time you look at the ease of training, no engineer needed. So by the time you take all of that into consideration, you got ease of training. The cost of the machine's nothing in the first place. Literally what you're paying for the press. It just really doesn't make sense. You don't need to be making 100,000 of something. You could be changing this thing every 15 minutes, cut out 64, 80 pieces, switch it out. Okay, program it, enter, down, enter, enter, down, enter, run. Okay, that's how hard it is to program it, set up a new job. Take all that into consideration. It's just really ridiculous that you don't incorporate a robot or robotic automation in what you're trying to do. So you really want to consider, when you're getting a machine, whether you're doing short runs or long runs, it doesn't matter. This works both ways. Anyway, what you're looking at with robotics is dependability. You're looking for a company that's been around. Look at the type of companies we sell to. Go to our website and take a look. I mean, we sell to the largest. We sell to Fortune 500 companies. Parts availability, engineers that can come out and help you if you have a problem. The ability to come out and train you, get you set up, talk to you about job setup, suction, all the different things that are going to be a factor for you. But we'll get it working. Give us your material, give us your die. We will set it all up, make it work. Come out, take a look at it, ship it out to you, come out, teach your people, go over everything. The other thing is the ability to, for all the training and everything else, that we have videos for all of this stuff that walks you through step by step what you need to do. Comprehensive manuals, parts list, pricing for parts. Almost everything on this is available in America from third party. So you can go anywhere you want. You don't have to come to us and have us tell you that, you know, a spark plug is going to cost you $35 a piece. You're not held hostage in that way at all. You're able, off the shelf, replace most of the parts on this. It just makes sense all the way around.